In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make moving background in Flutterflow. To get started, open Flutterflow and load the project where you want to add this effect. Once your project is open, go to the specific page where you want the moving background to appear. This is important because the animation will be applied directly to the widget on that page, so you want to make sure you're working in the right place before setting anything up. Next, add a container or a stack widget that fills the screen. Either option can work well depending on how your page is built. A container is great if you just need a simple full screen background, while a stack gives you more flexibility if you want to layer other elements like text, buttons, or forms on top of the moving image. The key here is to make sure this widget covers the full screen so the background looks clean and intentional. After that, set your background image in the decoration settings. This is where you'll choose the image you want to animate. Try to use an image that looks good when it moves slightly, especially something wide, textured, or visually soft, since subtle motion usually creates the best result. Once the image is applied, select the background widget again so you can start working with its animation settings. Now open the animations panel. This is where the movement effect comes to life. Add an animation such as move, slide, or scale. Each one gives a slightly different feel. Move and slide are useful if you want the background to drift across the screen, while scale can create a gentle zoom effect that adds depth. Choose the one that best matches the style you're going for. Then configure the animation. Set the direction of the movement so it flows naturally with your design. Adjust the duration to control how fast or slow the background moves. In most cases, a slower animation feels smoother and more professional, especially for a background. If the option is available, enable loop or repeat, so the animation continues playing instead of stopping after one cycle. That continuous motion is what creates the moving background effect. Finally, preview your app to see the animated background in action. This is the best time to check whether the movement feels smooth and whether the image still looks good behind your content. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune the direction or speed until it feels just right. And that's how to make a moving background in Flutterflow.